Sometimes the law is not enough.
Did you file the subpoena in the McPherson case?
No, it wasn't urgent. I filed an AO440.
AO440?
I know. So I went shopping for these loafers.
Has anyone got a stapler? I've got a lot of forms, and there's a slight breeze in here.
Law, because paperwork is dramatic. Catch it Thursdays on Weasel before it catches you.
Excuse me, this is a supermarket. You two need to get a room.
No, we don't.
Renegade.
Oh, God, you smell incredible. Maybe I'll join in.
Renegade Cologne for the man who wants to reek of masculinity.